Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks. Hopefully you guys are all keeping well. And today's video is going to be another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and probably seen by some of the overlays I'm throwing up. It's going to be one of the larger boxes, which is most exciting, and probably by the title of this video you know what you're watching already, so without further ado, let's crack on. So this is a large box. It comes up with a little magnetic clip at the bottom down there. Slide this open like so, and this is where it's exciting. Go ahead and get the little dust bag out. I really like the fact you can pull little tabs in there if you just want to fold your Louis Vuitton box flat. I've done that for a few of them and kept them in spaces where space is more at a premium now that large boxes take up so much room. But this is the dust bag, says Louis Vuitton at the front. I have noticed kind of like the kind of the kind of microfibre material that the dust bags are made of do feel a little bit thinner, and on the other piece that you may have watched recently, the actual ink on the Louis Vuitton bit was a bit more washed out. I wasn't 100% impressed with that, but it looks like either a bad batch or maybe the quality of the dust bags has been cheapened. But this has been the moment of truth, so pull this back. La 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 la! Voila! So here we have the Louis Vuitton NoeNoe BB bucket bag in indigo saffron. So this is one of the newest pieces my mum picked up recently through in Edinburgh. It is made of that textured epi leather all around. So as you can see, it kind of looks like waves. It's going to be hard wearing, which is really nice. And I like the fact, on my mum anyway, it's a bit smaller than the other bags. It's not a big clumsy bag or anything like that you put your whole life in. It's more like a going out bag, and it does have that kind of casual look that you could probably use it most days, going in and out, and you could probably dress it up for maybe like an evening meal. You could dress it down if you're going out to the shops or something like that. And I like the fact as well that the blue contrast of the tan handles, which is a bit hard to see. I do have the blinds up, but yeah, I do apologise. I'll throw some overlays over that and kind of show you the contrast. So the NoeNoe BB bucket bag is actually based off the Noe bucket bag that was designed to carry the champagne bottles. As you can see, it is much smaller than that giant bag, and being made of the leather, it's also got a nice soft lining on the inside, which I'll just pull this back a little bit, pull this tassel down. You do get kind of a wide open area on the inside, but it is lined with this lovely kind of suede material. I know it's not genuine suede because I felt that in the shop, and that's a lot heavier and denser. It's a man-made fibre, that material that Louis Vuitton use, but it does kind of mimic suede, and it's quite a nice soft feeling. There's also a little divider inside the bottom of the bag as well, so it's handy for people who may want to put your phone and keys on one side and maybe the documents like your passport or other bits of your life in one side as well, so you can kind of have that divide to make things easier to find and look for. If anybody's curious about the size of the bag, it's actually 20 by 20 by 13 centimetres. So Louis Vuitton say that the inside lining is actually called microfibre lining, and we've also got the silver hardware, which I'll do some close-ups for you to see. There's a Louis Vuitton at the top there. We've also got the drawstring lace, which is nice soft leather, just because I think it's only been used once, this bag, but that's nice and soft and supple. You just pull that down to gain access to the inside of the bag. I've also got, as I said, the two compartments on the inside. We've also got a central flat pocket with a pressed stud, which is the bit right in the middle that pops out, and you can put like credit cards or something like that in there. And the strap itself is variable as well, so hopefully you guys can see this, but you can clip it, unclip it at the sides, and then all of a sudden you can lift that up like so. If I could get the other side to go. There we go. So you get a bigger drop. So the maximum drop is a 33, sorry, it goes from 33 centimetres to the maximum of 56 centimetres. So you do get a wide variety and range there. So that's quite nice. You can just kind of pull them back down like so, and it's a nice wee deep bag that clips with little magnetic bits at the bottom there. And for anybody curious, the product code is M53610. If I remember that, I'll put that here on the screen if you want to look it up on the website. And currently Louis Vuitton have this in stock, and it is £1,400 on the Louis Vuitton website. So if you're wanting one, I'd recommend go and get it before the colour and styles change again. I think the style of the bag is going to stay around for a while, and especially leather, because Louis Vuitton seem to be pushing leather pieces more and more. However, if you like that blue and tan combination, rush out and get it now. I love the smell as well of the kind of Louis Vuitton products in general, especially the leather ones that do smell pretty nice. But it's got the new kind of bag smell, almost smells a wee bit like a new car as well. And those smells so good when you first get it. So it's a nice wee touch, and you're going to be wondering why you're watching somebody smell a bag on YouTube. On the outside of the bag, I forgot to mention, it has got a little Louis Vuitton kind of hot stamped there, just embossed slightly. There's an LV, and it's pretty subtle, so for people who know their handbags are going to notice somebody walking down the street with one of these. But if you're kind of person who doesn't want that loud kind of print, especially the men's collection like tourist versus purist, something that's in your face and eye-catching, this is quite a subtle way to go around it. And on the underside, for anybody wondering, it is smooth leather, so I guess over time you might get some marks just because if it's sitting on top of like tables or on top of floors, things like that. Over time it might dent or might get a wee scratch, and I guess that'll add character to the bag, but that's just something to look out for. Just make sure you look after it on the base. It does have a little bit as well, just noticed, you've got Louis Vuitton, I'll put a close-up of it on the side, Louis Vuitton Paris, and the handles are actually detachable as well. So let me lower the cameras to show you guys. So we've got the little top handle here that has little clips at the side you can remove if you wanted to. Try and do this delicately on camera, so you can just remove that within 2 clips and just have it as a crossbody or strap over the shoulder. These also clip off. Again, the same procedure. If you wanted, you can clip them off like so. Just push that in and clip that back round. I quite like the wee top handle as well, just adds a little bit of something and versatility to carry it. I just kind of wanted to show you all that just because it gives you a little bit more versatility how you might want to dress up or dress it down. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this unboxing of the NoeNoe BB bucket bag. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, comment below any questions or thoughts you might have on the bag, and if you have one yourself as well, let me know below because I'd be curious to find out how many people have bought one of these. And as always, check me out on Instagram, currently at The Lux Scott. I am questioning and thinking about maybe changing that name, but at the moment it's at The Lux Scott. Do appreciate every follow there as well. So as always, stay safe and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao!